Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will learn the June 2025 board examinations for the 10th standard mathematical problem. Okay, this is the MCQ which is given. The MCQ is the discriminant of quadratic equation 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0 is what? Okay, so the options which is given is A is equal to 32, B is equal to 0, C is equal to minus 32 and D is equal to 64, right? So if we look at this example, the given equation is 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So first of all, what we will do is we will identify what is the value of A, B and C. So here A is equal to 4. These are the coefficients of this quadratic equation. So A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus 4. This is the B. We will take this negative sign with the B value because it is with the sign. For example, if I give you this, if I write down the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is for your example I am giving that this is our quadratic equation. So here if we compare a is equal to 4, b is equal to with the sign minus 4 and c is equal to 1. So now we have a, b and c value. And the question which is given to us, we have to find out the discriminant of the quadratic equation, right? So what is a discriminant? Discriminant, this is our discriminant. Okay, this is our discriminant. Discriminant's value is what? B square minus 4ac. This is our standard given in the chapter itself. B square minus 4ac is the discriminant value. Now we are putting the value of b here, minus 4 square minus 4. Now putting the value of a and c. A value is 4, c's value is 1. And evaluating this equation, minus 4 square is equal to 16. 4 square is equal to 16 and minus sign will go away. Minus 4 4s into 1. 4 4s 16. So that is equal to 0. So our answer, this is our b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This is our discriminant value. So if we look at the option which is given to us, a is equal to 32, b is equal to 0, c equal to minus 32, d equal to 6. Our answer is b equal to 0. This is our answer. B is equal to 0. So you need to tick on this B option. Okay. So this is the question till it is asked the discriminant. But if we in general, if we go for the might be in a long questions, this is MCQ, so they have asked only for the discriminant. But if we go for the long answer and we see if further if they ask for the roots, then how you will find the roots for this particular quadratic equation. Till discriminant you are very much clear. Now we know that if this discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then it has a two distinct real roots. This is the conditions are given in the chapter itself. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then there is a no real roots. We can directly write there is a no roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then two equal roots. So in our case, b square minus 4 is equal to 0. So that third condition will applicable on our example. So b square minus 4 equal to 0, then two equal roots, and the roots are, this is standard. This is given in the chapter itself. How we will write down the roots? Minus b upon 2a minus b upon 2a. They both are equal roots. So now we put the value of a and b in this roots. B is equal to minus 4, which is given in this, and a is equal to 4, right? So minus and minus 4, putting the value of b, then in denominator 2 and value of a is equal to 4. Same way, minus, putting the value of b minus 4 upon 2 into value of a, 4. Now we evaluate that. Minus minus plus 4 upon 2 plus 4 is 8. Minus minus plus 4 upon 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 4 is 8, right? Now if we just do the factor, we know 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2. These are the two real equal roots. This is not asked in this MCQs, but might be asked in another exam, or in the long question. This might be asked that not until the discriminant you have to find, but you need to go further to find out the roots of that quadratic equation. So this part, this entire part, I am giving you as an additional note that this can be asked as a long questions. In the MCQs you might be asked until the discriminant, but for the long question you might know how to find the roots, how to put the values and understand the three conditions. That's why I have explained that this is in a bit longer manner. Okay, I hope you find this value useful in your preparations for the maths examination. And if you like this video, if you are comfortable with the explanation style, please make sure like this video, share with your friends, subscribe the YouTube channel so you will get the notifications for the other videos as well, and be prepared well. I hope all the best for your preparations. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you.